Good morning students and welcome back. In previous presentation we were discussing about degrees of comparison. Type 4 we discussed. Today we will be discussing about type 5, that is negative plurals 2. Type 4 was also negative plurals, but that was part 1. This is part 2. Okay. So let's quickly look at the definition, and please remember you do not have to get confused between type 4 and type 5. Okay. Type 5 starts with positive. If it is positive is negative sentence, then you will use not so, like we did in the previous presentation, right? Not so dash as some other. Not so adjective as some other. When you change it into comparative, some other, then your adjective, then THAN. And for superlative, not one of the, and then dash. So positive will be in negative, superlative will be in negative, and comparative will be in the positive. Okay, affirmative. So you need to remember this. Let's look at the example to understand it better. Chinese is not so, and then your adjective, interesting, as some other languages in the world. This is your positive statement. Okay, you can see it's starting with not so, negative word, and then adjective, and then as some other. So whenever you see such kind of sentence, you need to quickly understand that it's type 5 negative plurals part 2. Okay, and it can start with comparative sentence also, like this: some other, then languages in the world will come in the beginning. Some other languages in the world are, is will become are, because we are talking about languages and not language. Okay, interesting will become more interesting, and then we have to use the word comparative word then, which is required, then Chinese. Okay, so you can have any of this sentence, or you can have superlative sentence as well. Chinese is, Chinese will come in the beginning. Now see students, till now what you used to do, positive used to be like this, mostly comparative and superlative were on the same lines, like the object were in the beginning. If it is comparative is negative, superlative is negative. Here there is a little bit change, so you need to remember this. Here positive is negative, comparative is positive, and superlative is again negative. Okay, you have to use the word negative, not. So Chinese will come in the beginning, is. Now Chinese is one language, so we will talk about that way, and we will use is. Chinese is not one of the, and then more interesting will become most interesting. Chinese is not one of the most interesting languages in the world. Clear students? Great. So let's quickly look at the fair book exercises. The very first one is, some other metals are costlier than platinum. You can see no other, there's no negative word used. It's starting with some other, and then there's an adjective costlier, and then the word then. So this is your type 5 negative plurals part 2 comparative sentence. So you'll have to change it in positive as well as superlative. So let's see how we will do it. Platinum will come in the beginning. Platinum is, okay, we are not talking about metals here, we are talking only about platinum, one metal. Okay, singular. So platinum is not so costly. Costlier will become costly. Platinum is not so costly as some other metals. Great. Now let's look at the superlative. Platinum again will come in the beginning, same as positive, is not one of the, and costlier will become costliest. Platinum is not one of the costliest metals. Great. Let's look at the next one. Sam is not one of the best coaches in the world. Sam is not one of the best coaches in the world. Here this you can see not one of the, so that is your superlative, and then there's this best. We have discussed this before. Good, better, best. Best is superlative. When you change it into positive, and it will be like, Sam is not so good, again negative only, and Sam will remain in the beginning. Sam is singular, particular person, so we'll use is. Sam is not so. Best will become good, as not so dash as, okay, not so good as some other coaches in the world. Then when you change it into comparative, we'll use some other word. Coaches in the world will come in the beginning. So some other coaches in the world. Now coaches, we are talking about plural. So we are using are. Are good will become better. Better than Sam. Understood? Let's look at the third sentence. Hockey is not one of the most famous sports. This is your superlative sentence again, student, just like the above one. So we'll convert it into positive. Hockey is not so, and most famous will become famous as some other sports. Then you change it into comparative. Some other sports are famous will become more famous than hockey. Some other sports are more famous than hockey. Okay, student, let's look at the next one. Harry Potter is not one of the most famous storybooks in this era. Same as above. Again, superlative sentence. Most famous, right? And it is not one of the most famous. So first we'll change it into the positive one. Harry Potter is not so famous as some other storybooks in this era. Means there are many other books which are as interesting. So let's take it look at the comparative one. Some other storybooks in this era will come in the beginning, and books we are talking about, so we'll use the word are. Some other storybooks in this era are famous will become more famous than Harry Potter. Great. Let's look at the next one. Some other boys are taller than Almas. Okay, now here you can see some other is used in the beginning, taller is there. So this is your comparative degree sentence, students, right? Taller. So first we'll change it into positive. So what we will do, Almas will come in the beginning, is not so tall. Taller will become tall as some other boys. This is your positive sentence. When you change it into superlative, it will become Almas is not one of the, okay, and tall will become tallest. Almas is not one of the tallest boys. Great, students, let's look at the next one. Western dances are not so impressive as some other dances in the world. This is your positive sentence, not so as some other. When you change it into comparative, some other dances in the world are impressive is 6-letter word, so we'll add more to it to make it comparative, more impressive than Western dances. When you change it into superlative, you will have Western dances again in the beginning. Are here will not change it to is, because again dances is a plural number, so dances are, okay. Western dances are not one of the most impressive. More impressive will become most impressive dances in the world. Great. Let's look at the next one. Hollywood is not one of the most important acting centers. This is not one of the most important. That means it's your superlative sentence. First we will change it into positive. So Hollywood will remain in the beginning. Hollywood is particular area we are talking about, singular, so is we will use with it. Hollywood is not so important. Most important will become important as some other acting centers. Okay, then we will change it into comparative. Some other acting centers, important will become more important. Some other acting centers are more important than Hollywood. Great, it is done. Let's look at the next one. Some other storybooks are more interesting than Black Knight. Okay, now here the sentence is more interesting than. So it's a comparative sentence. Right? So first we will change it into positive. Black Knight will come in the beginning. Okay, we are talking about particular book over here. So we have used is. Okay. So Black Knight is not so interesting. More interesting will become interesting as some other storybooks is your positive sentence. Then you change it into superlative. Black Knight, again it will remain in the beginning, is not one of the most interesting. Interesting will become most interesting. Story books. This is your superlative sentence. Let's look at the next one. Mr. Winston is not one of the most experienced scientists. Now here is not one of the most most experienced. So this is your superlative sentence. When you change it into positive, Mr. Winston will come in the beginning as it is in the superlative. So Mr. Winston is not so. Most experienced will become experienced as some other scientists. Great. Now let's look at the next one. To change it into comparative, we'll add some other scientists are. Now here we're talking about scientists, right? So we'll use the word are. Experienced will become are more experienced. Then Mr. Winston. Let's look at the last. Now this was your last sentence, students. So here we completed all the 5 types of degrees of comparison, and we've also completed all the fair book exercise as well, right? Hope now all these 5 types are clear to you. We have done so many examples. You just need to simply remember all the formulas and it will be good to go. We'll do the mixed exercise, but before that you learn by heart all the 5 formulas, so it is easier for you to solve the mixed exercise. Okay, 5 types together. With the fair book exercise we will be soon back. Till then, have a very good day. Practice hard, memorize them. Take care.